Hey guys, YourPop here, and today I'm going to be doing the updated staking video. Now, if you don't know what staking is, it's when you take tokens that you have and then you put them into a smart contract in order to make more of the same token. Now, there are times where you can make a different token than the one you're staking, but for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to be using the one where you put tokens in, you get that same token out. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean you're making money, because if tokens drop in quicker than you're getting the tokens from staking, you are going to be losing money, but you are going to lose money a bit slower than if you were just holding on to tokens. Alright, so as far as where to stake, there are a lot of different what are called dexes. That's where you can trade your different swaps and stuff. They staking pools. Now, for PancakeSwap, it's a favorite because it is very popular. Cake is very inconsistent with the price. It overall goes down, but if you want a short-term hold Cake when it is in a low, you can buy some Cake and you can stake it. And pretty simple, you just stake it by connecting your wallet, the stake button, and then you just press stake. Now, there also is sorry, that's IFOs. But there is also the auto stake, auto cake stake, where basically it automatically reinvests the amount of tokens that you make anytime anybody clicks this button, which, if you have been watching it all, is pretty often. So the auto cake stake is pretty cool if you want to hold on to it long term, but like I said, overall this token is going down, so I would not suggest doing that. So you can do manual cake, which you'll take a lot less money as a loss anytime it restakes, because again, you're not going to be holding on to it long enough. But for other tokens where you believe in it long term and they have an auto restaking, definitely take it, because it's a great way to compound quickly. So yeah, that's staking. Now if you want to know more, you should join the company, because I do have a more in-depth video where I go over some of the back end stuff as far as liquidity and how to get into the liquidity pair staking. So definitely check those out if you are a member, or just go and subscribe, because I do suggest it. We have some great content. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.